The business models will mostly rely on services which we offer. So also we talk of service-oriented architecture, so we don't talk about messages anymore, but these elements will offer services into the infrastructure. And this service idea will go up over the different levels. So finally we will have services everywhere.
Analytics will be at the heart and soul of the industrial internet. It will allow us to find new types of productivity, new types of efficiencies, and make the world a better, safer place to be. The types of computation that will evolve to deal with this, I believe, are going to also be different. So traditionally now we use von Neumann architectures that do computation in a deterministic way. More and more computation is going to shift to pattern recognition and the use of cognitive computing. We're starting to see new computing architectures come out that support massive parallel computing systems. Some of the features that the consumer internet was built on, things like best effort basis for data transfer, in some cases will not be good enough for industrial systems that require very well-defined deterministic networks. Not in all cases, but in some cases. So defined latency, defined bandwidth guarantees, those will be some of the features that in the industrial internet certain business models will require. And the whole level of security and reliability in many cases will have to go up a whole level as well.
If you look at machine intelligence, alongside a doctor, he's able to take informed decisions and move from just plain trial and error into precision medicine, and that of a personalized medicine for the patient. So really, if you look at deep neural networks, it's kind of evolved just from pattern recognition. It's moved onwards, especially so when coupled with cognitive learning and natural language learning. This provides the ability for machines to devour smart intelligence, research around specific topics, and provide edge insights. Edge insights are game changers. They are able to deliver the right information at the right time to the right people. Now, this is possible essentially because of cognitive computing, but to a great extent the emergence of neuromorphical chips, the ability of smart chips to think almost like human brains, and especially in situations where the tolerance for connectivity-oriented latency, what we call as call time, is pretty low. You need insights fast enough. The smart chips are a pretty big game changer. What is interesting is that artificial intelligence is able to transform into adapting to humans rather than humans adapting to machine intelligence. This allows for the delivery of precision in almost anything, anywhere, on any subject, a concept called PX. And this could potentially transform all the industries that we know of.